Hello everybody, today I want to show you how to set static host rules or host rules on a Mac OS. First of all, I need to know on which service I want to use. I want to set the host rules. So I have here the command network setup list all network services. And you can see I have different network services, Ethernet, Wi-Fi and stuff. And the important one is the Barracuda VPN, which I'm connected to at the moment. And I want to add a host rule. First of all, I can check if I have a host rule or a root, additional roots already set up. So for that, I call the command network setup get additional rules and the name of my network service. And you see I have already set up a host rule to this host, and I told him please go over this gateway address. This is the address from my VPN actually. So if I want to set a new host rule, I can use this command and put this the name of the network service, and now I set a static host rule to another host. I use the 5 now, and let's check what host rule we have now. And we have now the only host rule to the 10.8.3.5. And what I'm wondering about is why is the 4 disappeared? And I found no quick solution for this problem. So it seems with network setup set additional routes, I can only set one host route. If anybody knows how to set up different host rules with network setup on the same network service, please write it down in the comments. I would be happy. Thanks. So I tried to find out another solution. So we can use the root command to set up, I guess, non-persistent roots. So what does it mean, non-persistent? If you reboot your Mac, it will disappear. So you have to set up this roots again and again. But anyway, let's try this out. We first should have a look. What is the how do we get the address of our gateway, VPN gateway? For that, I figured out one command. It's this one. It's here it shows us the tunnel device, and I grab for the UH string, and this is my gateway I need to use. So now if I want to have, for example, the 4 as the host root to the 4, I call the command sudo root at -n at then the address I want to reach, and now only the gateway. So I can also use I can just put this address into. Now I need my password because of sudo, and now I can ask the root with the root command what gateway you would use if you try to reach this address, and we see the routing table for this address, and this is fine. Let's see what about the 5. We still have this. It came from our network setup, set additional routes. So now let's see what our network setup says about the static host routes. It knows it's still only the 5 and not the 4. So I guess this is different at the end, but the difference is in between the persistence type, I guess. So with the root command, I could set up another, for example, the 6. and still we have the 4, the 5 and the 6 routed over the same VPN gateway. Yeah, how do we delete a host root? And call delete, and then the destination, and then we could check out there is a root, but it's my default gateway and not the gateway of the tunnel connection anymore. Yeah, I hope you enjoy my little screencast, and maybe you ask in what situation you need such a host root. It could be if you are connected to a VPN network and you try to reach a network with the same IP address which you use at home. So, for example, if your router has the network 192.168.2 24 network, and in your company where you're connected via VPN, you use the same network, so then you would have problems to reach the servers inside your company. So for that, you could set up the host roots. Thanks for watching, and I hope you get it. Bye bye.